Hey guys, it's Ashley Peterson here at Promo Realty, and I am standing outside our newest listing that you can see behind me is absolutely adorable. This is 103 East Circle, very well maintained home. You have newer windows, lots of updates, including the kitchen. You're going to love the newer appliances. The tile backsplash adds so much character. Upstairs, you'll find a master suite that has recently been updated. This master suite has beautiful vaulted ceilings, a walk-in closet, and you never find walk-in closets in these old charming homes, but this one has it. Also, the bathroom has a large tile walk-in shower. You have a beautiful vanity, and you have washer and dryer upstairs in the master suite in the bathroom there. And you have a second washer and dryer area downstairs. So you have two washer and dryer hookups, which is great. A nice backyard, beautiful hardwood floors, newer roof. I mean, I can go on and on. Heated floors in this home as well. So sit back and enjoy the tour.